friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about the portrait mode on the OnePlus 6. So when the device was launched last month, the company had announced that a portrait mode will be coming up for the selfie camera. That was one feature which is missing for the 16 megapixel shooter, which is capable of recording videos in 1080p resolution. And we thought we'll do this video using the front facing camera of the OnePlus 6 itself. So this video has been shot using the front camera of the OnePlus 6, so it is capable of recording videos in 1080p resolution, and this is the 1080p sample we are taking with this device. So we have the OnePlus 6 with us, and this device does come with a portrait mode for the front camera. Already there is a portrait mode for the rear camera. Now this has been extended to the front facing 16 megapixel camera as well. So this has come via an update, so in case you have the OnePlus 6, you can check the update section for the latest update. So now let's have a look at some of the selfie samples with and without portrait mode enabled on the OnePlus 6.
So first let's have a look at the regular selfie samples. So this is the regular selfie samples, and you can see that they have come really good with good sharpness levels, good details and good color reproduction as well. Now let's move on to the bokeh shot. So this is the portrait sample taken with the OnePlus 6 front facing camera, and most of the cases the selfie shots have come quite good. You can see that how much blur it can produce with the portrait mode. So portrait mode is a separate mode on the camera interface, and here you can see some of the samples we have taken in the regular mode as well as the portrait mode. So portrait mode is fairly accurate, although at times you can see the edge detection was not that great, and it could blur the face, edges of the face at times, and that's not a perfect edge detection from OnePlus 6. So you can also see some indoor shots taken with the OnePlus 6 front camera with the regular mode as well as the portrait mode. So that's some of the samples taken with the OnePlus 6. Here again you can see that edge detection was not that great.
So that was a portrait sample taken with the OnePlus 6 after the update. So you can see the 16 megapixel shooter gets the portrait mode, and you can see that it's fairly accurate with the edge detection, although at times it can go a bit blurry at times, but this probably work in progress. You can expect more updates coming in from OnePlus for this portrait mode and camera performance altogether. So as of now, we can say that this is not the perfect portrait sample, but it's the kind of okay performance from OnePlus 6. So that was the portrait samples and also the latest update to the OnePlus 6 for the front-facing camera. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.